Everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple easy crafts using the leaves. So first we are making the ballet dancers like this. For that we will make their faces and stick the leaves to make their dresses like this. Make 4 to 5 girls dancing and it's ready. Next, take a yellow color leaf and cut it and fix the paper inside it like this. So next we'll be making a mermaid. For that, we need the leaves to make its dress. Make its lower body like this, make its tail, and your mermaid will be ready. Use red leaves to make it look beautiful. Next, we will take the leaves like this to make the flowers. Now take orange color leaves and stick it like this. Now take a yellow color leaf and put it in the between. Now using the maple leaves, we will make the flowers and leaves and the butterflies like this on the sides and it's ready. Next, we will make a cute bird or the fly. For that, we will take the maple leaf and tear it from the sides. Now fix it in the between and then fold it and draw its eyes, nose and it's ready. Next, take a yellow color leaf and fix the paper inside it like this and stick it. So here we are making a fairy or an angel. For that, we will need the leaves to make its dresses. Draw its frock like this and paste the leaves over it as shown in the video. Make a stick in its hand and it's ready. Next, we'll be creating some interesting crafts. For that, we'll need this maple leaf and then stick them together like this in a line. So here we are making a caterpillar, stick its eyes, draw its antenna and legs. Now take some dry leaves and sprinkle over the sheet and paste it like this to make the grasses and it's ready. Next, take a yellow color leaf and then cut it like this. Now fix the paper inside it. So here we are making a girl standing with a stick in her hand. Now we will make its dress using the leaves like this. Draw the lines and then paste the leaves to make its frock. Now we will draw its legs, stick a stick in its hand and it's ready. Next, we will take the yellow leaves. Now paste them one by one on the white sheet. Cut it like this and then paste them. Overlap it using another leaves. Now paste your orange color sheet in the between and your flowers are ready. Okay, don't forget to make a butterfly on the top. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make a tree frame. For that, we will take a wooden sheet and cut it like this. Now, apply the sellotape all over the sheet on the back side like this. Now, we will take the leaves and paste it like this to make the tree one by one. You can use multiple color leaves but only of green and yellow color. Paste it like this one by one. Now, sprinkle some leaves around it like this. Cut it and then make the grasses and it's ready. Next, we'll be making some more interesting crafts. For that, we'll be needing this yellow leaf. Cut it out and paste it as shown in the video. You can get these glue sticks easily in the market. Now, after sticking it like this, we will draw its eyes, mouth and its hands and legs and your craft is ready. Next, take the leaves. Now paste it, cut it like this and then paste it one by one. So here we are making a man sitting in a boat. So for that, we'll draw its face, hands and put flower in its hand like this. Color it using the marker like this. Now we will stick the leaves around to decorate the sheet and it's ready. Okay, don't forget to sprinkle some pencil lead dust and it will be looking very beautiful at the end. Next, we'll be making a girl. For that, we'll paste the leaf and the paper like this. Now for sticking its dress, we will need some leaves like this. Paste it one by one as shown in the video. Now take the red leaves to make its frock. Paste it carefully, decorate it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.